the cutest summer tank tops. This one from Avid Love Boutique is like hitting the jackpot. This tank top is serving Y2K vibes in the trendiest way. From here down, it's all lace. It's absolutely gorgeous. The top of the tank top is super soft and stretchy. It's nice and fitted. You can actually adjust the neckline with the ties. It gives you plenty of room. Such a gorgeous way to have midsection coverage. The way the lace is cut is absolutely everything. Cami style tank top straps. They're adjustable in the back. You pair this one up with jeans. Such a cute outfit. This tank top comes in so many colors. So hard to pick just one. I'm telling you, you're gonna be absolutely obsessed. I'm gonna link it below.
Bagal ba net ko? Ewan ko ma. Basta second minor ka. Ay? Hala, so for rare. Oh, ang ganda. Bogs! Di mo kaya. Size extra small na. Hala, oh, ang ganda. Extra small na. Extra small on tag, extra small na. Oh, mag-back ka tas enter ulit. Extra small to small, 189. Code ako dito ng code ng 11. Code 11, mine 11, 189, 189. 11 ang code. Okay, 189. Yours, Madam Kim. 189. Kim Cornelio. Thank you, Madam Kim. 189. Okay, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Okay. Ito, black version. XL, pa-chain. Okay. Totoong pa-chain na yun siya, ha. O, tali sa likod. Perfect i-partner sa short. High waist shonte, Bem. Ayan, high waist ang pa-shonte. Size, XL. XL on tag, size XL. XL size, pang XL. Okay. 120. Code ako dito ng 13. Code 13, 120, 120. Code ng 13. Kaya. $120. Thank you. Okay, screenshot, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Okay, next. Ito yung padress. XL on tag, padress eyelet. Ayan, pa-eyelet XL on tag, madam. Tagupusan mo dyan, ha. Ganda. Shonte kasama, 149. Code ako dito ng 14. Size XL. Code 14, code 14. Money, chat, na. Charot. Code 14, mine 14. Yours, madam. Hey, it's me, just. 149. 149. It's me, just. Hey, it's me, just. Ayan. Thank you, ma'am. Sure. $120 yung black mo. Kaya. Wait lang. Pangit yung sulat ko doon. 149. Thank you. Ayan, screenshot, comment, SSD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Next. Okay, pa-halter di tali sa likod, may pa-body strap. Ganito siya may ha. Pwede siyang pa-bralette, ribbon sa harap, pa-ribbon, or pwede siyang pa-body strap. Ayan, maganda to pag pinartner sa short, oh. Ayan, may ribbon sa likod, Size, XXL. 2XL 109. Code ako 15. Code 15, 109, 109. 2XL on tag. 15 ang code, 109. Ano isang atake pag sa short pinartner. Oh, ganda. 2XL. Ayan, 50 ng code, 109, 109. Code 15. 109. Okay, next. Ay, pa-short. Ay, pa-halter o backless. Ganda. Extra small lang. Extra small to small bading, oh. With side roach, high wish, shante. 149 to be corduroy. Ganda niyan. Code ako dito, 16, 149. Code 16, code 16, 149, 149. 16 ang code, ah. It's me, Jess. One extra small yan, ah. $149. Oh, screenshot, ah. 12345, 12345, 149. Next, ah. Okay, tangkini. Medium, ah. Size medium, medium ang tag patangkini short, med size, ah. Ayan, medium ang tag 129, ah. Layered yan, maha. Cute, oh. 129. Code ako 17. Medium, ate Mari Elena. Okay lang kanya, medium. Medium size, ah. True. Mama ka, no? Ay, sige, sige. Oh, Elaine and it's me, Jess. Oh, tigisa kayo. 129, ah. Tsaka si Hey, it's Jess. 129. Jess sa Impong. Ayan. Thank you. Tigisa kayo, ah. Okay. Paigid ko ato. Akan empty box. Next. Okay, next one. Ato, pa-halter. Large. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, with side roach yan, madam, ah. Large on tag. Pa-skirt. Large to XL carry nito, ma. Large to XL, 139. Code ako ng 18. Large to XL. Code ng 18. Code ng 18, 139. Skirt siya, may makuha pa skirt. Elena. Screenshot 139. Thank you, sis. Hala, ba't ganon? Anong ba't ganon, madam? Back TikTok, enter ka ulit, be. Back TikTok, enter ka ulit. Magre-refresh yan. Thank you, Mari Cakes. Next. Okay, o, ito na lang sa'yo. Huwag ka nang, huwag ka nang, random flexing. O, ito skirt din. Size large to XL din. Ayan. Size large to XL.